What's going on, guys? So, I just wanted to fill you in a little bit. We've been dropping the ball on videos lately. I've been working more, and Ben's switching areas that he's working. So we've been kind of not had time to detect, which kind of really puts a damper on things. The snow has melted. There's plenty of area to detect. Just to get you guys caught up, I've been doing a ton of research on this area in our town. I've looked at numerous maps and websites, and I've been going through a ton of references. The biggest reference that I've been able to help was a book called Landmarks in Ancient Dover. I'm in the process of purchasing this book, but found this book at my local library, and this book has helped so much. It's given reference points of where certain sites are. This site that I did a lot of research on is a sawmill that dates back to 1800s-ish. It goes from about 1860 to about 1890 when it burned down. But the video you guys are gonna see coming up is me dissecting this area and stuff and the finds. Right now we got some video that didn't end up making it. It got lost and deleted and stuff. So right now, what I have, I've put together. I'm putting the video up, and then we're hoping to release another video of the stuff that we're trying to recover that Ben took. But sorry for the long wait and everything. It's been so long. I just want to say thank you to all you guys who are still subscribing, liking, watching the videos and stuff. It means a lot. We didn't want to be doing such a long span between videos and everything, but we just wanted to fill you in on what's going on. We will be doing more research on different places. We've got a ton of work this summer. So, before I drag this out any longer, here's the video. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and we'll keep them coming. We're back, guys. It's early morning. It's about 9 o'clock. Couldn't sleep last night. I was just up late last night trying to see if I could do more research on the area. Trying to research who the owner of the sawmill was and everything. Found out it does date back to 1700s when the land was acquired by said owner. And it burned. No, that was a different one, but I think it burned down about 1829. Last known map that I could find that still had something to do with it was past 1818. So let's see what we find and stuff. It's gonna be a long day and stuff. Right now I'm at the intersection where I found the wall that we're gonna run. And we're just gonna hit some stuff up. I'll follow the wall for a little bit. I found the old road that went down to the sawmill, and we'll keep you updated. I'm still waiting to see if Ben joins us today. We'll see. Hopefully he does. It's gonna be a good day. See you soon. So, this is pretty interesting. Came around a hill and everything, and found what looks like possible home site. I don't know, but this might be a sure indication that there is. We got this 70 signal. Whoa, ground's pretty unstable, but I got a pretty cool signal here. It's a lantern top. It's pretty mangled and stuff, but still. Well, it's got some design on it. I'll show you better when I clean it up and stuff, but maybe we can get a date off it or anything. Hey, I'll take it. I'll show you the next one. So I'm back here at the sawmill and everything. As you can see, it's warming up a little. That hike in really warms you up. I just, skip a bunch of areas so that way I could get here. I was starting to run out of battery on my phone, but I wanted to get here and get some detecting done. Then I'll work my way back to the other areas. Hopefully Ben shows up. But yeah, we're gonna hit this. I'll show you what we find. So I got my first target stuff and was digging up the hole, and while I was digging for one target, I found this little file. So I can tell there was definitely, it was a burnt down, because the soil here is so black and rich with it looks like charcoal and stuff like that, and just bits and pieces of burnt wood and everything. So we're on the right track. I'll see if I can find this other target, and then I'll hit you back. So I got this good signal. It was about 62 and stuff, and I don't know if it's either the biggest spoon bowl ever or if it was something else, but I'll tell you one thing, I'm not going to be able to lug that out and stuff. It's got some weight. If any of you know what it is, I can't tell, but I'll try to research it and stuff, and we'll get back at it. It's a lot of iron here, so I'm trying to pick around all the junk. I'll see you later. What's going on, guys? I'm here at my local library because, as you know, the video that was just posted we found the sawmill. Now I'm just trying to research, find out who owned this sawmill, how long the family was part of the history and stuff of this area, what I can find out. I'm in this historical room in my local library. I just wanted to give you guys some insight and show you what goes into what we do after we find these sites. So I'm going to look around a little, see what I can find, and then I'll pick you back up. Okay, guys, so library closed. I was reading through, seemed like thousands of books. The last book I looked through, finally found one of the people named on the deed for the sawmill. Hence, that book then referenced 6 other books. So it looks like I'm going to be back and stuff looking at other books, trying to narrow this down. But the search isn't done. We're not done researching. We'll get to the end of it. We'll find who William H. Pike is. Till the next time. Okay, so back from the library. I'm just sorting through all the stuff I found. the way that I was able to find the owner's name was in that book, Landmarks of Ancient Dover. Got some paperwork right here, and it references the third falls are now generally called Pike Falls, from W.M. H. Pike, who in company with Thomas J. Dearborn purchased the land from Clarissa Kimball in April 4th, 1867. 5 acres were allotted and along the river. This plot of land was privileged as a sawmill. Just denotes the subjects and the people who wrote the deeds and everything. The Pike Mill was sold to a company, but was burned down soon after. And then the land remains unused. And then it just goes on to talk about further up the river, there's more areas. So, looks like this summer we're going to have some other areas to search. There's looks like a total of 6 areas that were used as mill locations along this section of river we're looking at. This right here, let's see if you can, probably can't see that good. It's not coming in that good, but it's a hand sketched map that I found, was able to sketch out, and shows railroad tracks running along and an abandoned road, and I was able to actually follow this old railroad bed and then down to the river, and that's how I was able to find the location of the mill. So, just, it's not something that happens overnight. This is something that I started months ago. We look in a certain area, we start to see what happened around that area. All this research started because I was looking for information on that cellar hole that you guys saw in the previous video that I posted. That has led to this, and now it's opened a can of worms, and we have just taken it and run. But it's a lot of long nights looking up stuff. We're still trying to date the owner, William Pike, see how far, if he just stopped after the sawmill or if he went on to other businesses in the area. So we'll definitely keep you updated. It's going to be probably part of the journey. We're definitely going to go back to that sawmill, and we're going to find plenty of stuff. Hopefully Ben can recover some of that video, because we found the road that they used to get to and from the sawmill from the main road. Along that road we found plenty of signs that someone was there. Ox shoes, musket balls, and stuff like that. So, keep watching. Hit that notification button so you know when we upload video. We might do some short videos here and there and everything, just to keep you guys informed. But definitely share, like, and comment. Don't be afraid to comment. If it's bad, we'll deal with it and stuff. There's not going to be all good comments and stuff. So we'll just, handle all the good, the bad, the ugly. Doesn't matter, because that's how we roll. But okay, I'm going to get back at looking through all this paperwork. See you.